This simple video is getting 15 million views. And this video got 180 million views. Isn't it unbelievable? Not only this, there are thousands of such videos on YouTube which are getting billions of views every day. So actually, what is the reason behind it? The reason is that today's kids or teenagers love to watch this cat-related funny content. When they come to YouTube to spend their time, they will must watch this type of videos. And if you look at the income of this channel, according to Social Blade, the income from this channel is around $6K to $100K. Can you imagine? Now, if you want to earn at least $5,000 in a month but do not make any videos yourself, then re-uploading such videos is the best option for you. You can't imagine how much money you can earn by re-uploading videos on YouTube. You don't have to do anything, just follow my steps and try it yourself. The first you need to do is you have to search on YouTube that funny cat shorts. Then you can see 3 points on the right side. Then select view count option in this short by section. Then you have to turn on Creative Commons from features. If you keep this option on, the videos that will come in front of you are completely copyright free. It means that you can use this video anywhere for free. If this option is turned on, then click on apply button and just see how many videos are already viral. And then download funny shots from here. And the next task will be editing the videos. Editing can be done with the mobile, no problem, but in this case I'll suggest you KineMaster or InShot apps for editing. So first we will go to InShot app and open the downloaded videos. You know that shorts videos are 30 or 60 seconds, am I right? So I'll make a long videos with some shorts videos because long videos can be placed more ads and you can earn more. So make a long video and you can also put filters. Then save it. Now upload the video that you have created. Before uploading, make sure your channel is customized or not. Well, you are done. Your first video has been successfully uploaded to YouTube and you need to upload more videos to monetize the channel. Now you can ask me a question, can I monetize the channel with this video? Of course you can. There are thousands of channels on YouTube. They make $10,000 to $100,000 per month just by re-uploading videos on YouTube. You just need to do is find good quality videos and upload them regularly to your channel. And if you want to monetize your channel with just a few videos, then watch just these videos, because in this video I have shared the tricks of a channel whose channel has created 60,000 subscribers with just 5 videos.